So this reel is to show you how the 1.6 liter diesel engine of the S-Cross sounds inside the cabin. Starting the engine, बहुत ज़्यादा आवाज़ नहीं आना चाहिए क्योंकि the cabin is designed to be insulated. अब बाहर जाके दिखा देता है how it sounds on the outside. इसके हमने देखा really loud. It's a powerful engine. 1600 सीसी का turbocharged engine है, 118 हॉर्स पावर, and this is how it sounds from the rear. Okay, so if you really like the sound of a 1.6 liter raw diesel engine, I think this is the car for you.